This little German town was underwater. In the middle of July 2021, 2 days of rain turned into a deadly flood in this area. The peaceful and calm Erft River became a monster overnight and washed the whole city away. There was no food, no electricity, neither clean water to drink. Welcome to Bad Münstereifel. Today we find out how long did it take them to rebuild everything, or even if they could. Join me in this little adventure. This happened to be a bookstore where they used to sell lots of books. And here you can see they put the picture on it. All the books and everything were destroyed. Here you can see they even put the water level markings on the wall. In 14th of July, which was here, and then it went all the way up to here. Let me show you how beautiful the city used to look before the deadly flood and after this natural disaster. You can see a huge difference. I guess they just left it like the way it was destroyed. They did not even try to rebuild, just for the memory. This little calm and peaceful river became a monster overnight, just to destroy this beautiful looking city. And look at it. It's calm and quiet, peaceful again, returned to its original shape. Hallo.
Und auch eins.
Danke. Wohnen Sie hier?
Ja, ich wohne hier. So.
Also,
Wohnen Sie nicht hier?
Nee, ich
Ja,
komme
dann
aus
ist
Bonn.
Dann ist für Sie nicht relevant. Ja.
Also, waren Sie auch damals mit dem Hochwasser und
Ja,
so?
6 Wochen vorher bin ich hierher gezogen.
Ah,
Pech,
und,
ne? Aber gut, so ist das
ja,
Leben.
aber wie war das dann? Das ist schlimm, ne?
Das war
Weil-
schlimm. Also haben
Hat
Sie
es-
sich schon die Fotos da unten angeguckt?
Ja, ich habe auch
Ja.
das geguckt.
Ja, es war schlimm.
war
Also
sehr
weil
schlimm.
normalerweise hat der Bach 20 Zentimeter und da hat er 4,5 Meter gehabt. Ne?
Oh,
Und die ganze Stadt war überflutet. Also
ja, und waren Sie hier zu Hause oder wieder umgezogen?
wir waren hier zu Hause.
Hier zu Hause.
Im zweiten Stock, Gott sei Dank.
Aha.
Aber direkt da, wo der Schlirf ist, ein Optiker,
Ja,
da haben wir gewohnt, da wohnen wir immer noch. Also, ja. War blöd,
Ja, das
muss
war
man sagen. War ein bisschen Angst auch in der Nacht.
Ja, shit. Danke sehr, schönen Tag noch. Ne?
Ja, Ihnen auch. Danke.
Danke, ciao.
Alles Gute, tschüss.
Cheers. So yeah, I just had a conversation with a lovely young man, and he was just describing the situation was there during the flood and stuff. Yeah, they're still trying to rebuild and take this junk out of this beautiful little town. This high school is still under renovation after so many years. It still says Wiederaufbau nach der Starkregen- und Hochwasserkatastrophe im Juli 2021. During all these years, they tried to rebuild and reconstruct this whole town in a new way, including preserving its own history. So now when you come here, you find shops, stores like Levi's, Puma, North Face, and Jack and Wolfskin, like this kind of. They try to convert it like in a touristic place. Now I'm just walking through an alleyway of this little beautiful town. So this was it, guys. Thanks for being with me throughout the whole time as we investigated and figured out the whole story behind it. And now I'm gonna head back to my city, head back home. I'll see you around.